This is how to create a mind map in NotebookLM. From your dashboard, create a new notebook. Just click Create New. Then add resource or resources, or you can upload your files here, or a YouTube video. I will choose this resource, World War II. Just copy the link and paste it here. And just click this one. Then on the studio panel, you can see here mind map. Click this button here. And you can customize your mind map. So let's say create a mind map base from the resource given. Make it simple and easy to read. And just click generate. And wait for your mind map to finish generating. Okay, NotebookLM has finished creating a mind map. You can open this by clicking it. And you can also expand this one to see your complete mind map. So this is how to create a mind map in NotebookLM.